Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up debt payoff with the Debt Payoff Planner, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Debt Payoff Planner app from your device's app store. Open the app and create a new account or log in if you already have one. Familiarize yourself with the home screen and the various features available. Start by entering your total debt amount, including all credit cards, loans, and other debts. For each debt, input the creditor's name, the current balance, interest rate, and minimum monthly payment. Review your entries for accuracy before proceeding to calculate your payoff plan. Select your preferred debt repayment method, such as the snowball or avalanche method. With the snowball method, you'll focus on paying off the smallest debts first. With the avalanche method, you'll prioritize debts with the highest interest rates. Set your monthly budget for debt repayment within the app. Adjust your budget as needed to maximize the amount you can allocate toward debt. Once your preferences are in place, the app will generate a personalized payoff plan. Review the plan carefully, noting your timeline and total interest paid. Use the app's built-in charts and graphs to visualize your progress over time. Consider setting reminders for payment due dates to stay on track. Track your spending habits and make adjustments to your budget as necessary. Regularly update the app with any payments made to keep your progress accurate. As you pay off debts, celebrate your milestones to maintain motivation. Reassess your plan periodically to accommodate any changes in your financial situation. Utilizing the Debt Payoff Planner can simplify your journey towards financial freedom. Stay committed and enjoy the feeling of becoming debt-free. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.